Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a stunning presentation in Canva, and the best part is you can do it all in just 20 minutes. Whether you've got a big pitch coming up, a school project, or you just want to make your slides look way more professional, this step-by-step tutorial is going to save you time and stress. By the end, you'll know how to whip up a polished, eye-catching presentation without the overwhelm. Let's dive straight in. First, you'll want to head over to Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, don't worry, this platform is super user-friendly even if you're not a designer. Once you're on the homepage, look for that big Create button usually up in the top right corner. Give it a click and you'll see a whole list of design options pop up. What we're looking for is presentation. Go ahead and select that, and Canva will open up a fresh canvas that's perfectly sized for slides. Now here, where we can save a serious chunk of time. Instead of building everything from scratch, choosing every color, every font, every image, we're going to take advantage of Canva's massive library of templates. I can't stress enough how useful this is. Templates give you a ready-made layout with cohesive design elements, so your presentation looks sharp even if you're short on time or creative ideas. Just scroll through the templates or use the search bar to find a theme that fits your topic. For example, if you're doing a business pitch, there are clean, modern options. If it's a creative project or something a bit more playful, you'll find plenty of colorful, dynamic templates too. Once you spot a template you like, click it to apply it to your project. Don't worry if it's not 100% perfect. The beauty of Canva is how easy it is to tweak things to fit your exact needs. So you've got your template set up, awesome. The next step is where you get to make this presentation truly your own. Start by clicking on any text box or image in the template. You can edit the text to include your content, titles, bullet points, whatever you need. Maybe you're presenting a quarterly report, simply swap out the placeholder text for your actual numbers and talking points. If you have branding colors or a company logo, you can easily adjust the color palette or drag in your logo file. Remember, a little customization goes a long way. It's what takes your slides from template to tailored. If a photo doesn't quite fit with your message, just click on it and swap it out for one from Canva's built-in photo library or upload your own image. Take a moment here to really glance over each slide. Is it easy to read? Does it flow logically from one point to the next? If you need to add more slides for extra content, just hit the Add Page button and repeat the process. And that's pretty much it. With your details in place and your slides looking polished, all that's left is to give everything a quick review. When you're happy with it, download your presentation as a PDF, PowerPoint file, or present straight from Canva. See, totally doable, and you didn't need hours of design experience. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have questions or want to see more Canva tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, time-saving tutorials. Good luck with your next presentation. I know it's going to look amazing.